Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our 2008 Toyota Camry. This happens to have the hybrid. Doesn't really affect what's going on now. But we're going to reinstall our bumper and go over that process of how you put your bumper back on. So you'll want to bring your bumper back up, kind of line up and over, and know that you've got to raise it up over the holding straps that are right there. And then we get that lined up. There's bolts and screws to put in up top here. And then the bolts on the bottom. So here on this side, we're going to make sure we line up in the groove there under the light that helps hold the bumper up. And then go into that the groove there, snap in. We do that on both sides, and then we have this fender well where we got to put the one bolt that holds the bumper to the fender up, and so we need to install that. Okay, so bolt to the fender. It's a size 10. And tighten that in place, and then you have another clip to do around in the fender well. And so the same thing that we did over there, you would do on that side, on the driver's side, by locking in the bumper, installing your number 10 bolt, and then on the bottom there is some bolts to be put in and push pins to be able to hold the shield up to the bumper. And this tab here, you're going to want to pop under so that it goes on the upside of your bumper. And you'll do that all the way around so that when the air flows, it's going to flow under and keep that up also. And you're not going to get a lot of resistance. And then up top here, there are bolts, well, there's screws with rubber grommet that'll go here, here, and so there's 3. And then there are larger bolts that go in to hold this bumper in place. So you just got to put those on, and once you've got those bolts and screws put into place, and then everything around the bottom, that's all you'll have to do to reinstall your bumper. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.